Hi everyone, welcome back to Art City. My name is Alicia and today I'll be showing you how to make these fun and colorful origami peacocks. I'll be showing you two different ways to make these origami peacocks. The first way is simpler, while the other is similar to folding an origami crane. You can also decorate your crafts with any coloring tools you have. So without further ado, let's get started. The supplies you need for this craft include paper, a pencil, scissors, a ruler, and coloring tools. You can use whatever you have available, such as colored pencils, markers, or pens. First, I will be showing you the simpler origami peacock tutorial. First, we have to prepare our paper. We need to use a square, so I'll measure a square that is 20 centimeters by 20 centimeters, and I will cut that out. Now let's start folding. Fold your square in half and create a crease. Then fold a small rectangle on one end. Unfold your paper and now cut out this small rectangle at the bottom. Using my pencil, I'm going to draw the outline of a peacock and cut it out. You can follow along with the shape I am drawing. Now go ahead and cut out the peacock shape. Now, with the rest of the paper, we will create an accordion fold by folding up and down and repeating. To make sure that you have a nice and even accordion fold, you can follow as I am by creating rectangles first. After folding as many rectangles as I can, I'm going to unfold it and then proceed with the up and down pattern. Next, fold the bottom half of this accordion fold up and then you have your peacock. Simply spread out the accordion fold to see its tail. Now you can go ahead and decorate the peacock. I will be taking markers and trying to recreate the pattern on their tails. Once you're done coloring, you can simply just refold the craft and then you have your finished peacock. Now I'll be showing you the other method to create an origami peacock. Again, we will have to prepare our paper. This time, I will measure a square to be 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters. The other square will be 20 centimeters by 20 centimeters, so you will probably need 2 sheets of paper for this. After measuring and cutting them out, we're ready to begin. I will show you slowly so that you can follow along. First, fold it in half diagonally and make a crease. Then unfold this triangle and match up the edges to the center line. Now do the same to the right side. Make sure the edges line up to the center. Now flip it over like so, and then match the bottom to the middle as well. Now turn it over and fold it in half. Flip it over and now fold it as so. Then you're going to unfold this paper and tuck it in like this. And then at the very tip, fold it downwards to make the head. Now you've got the body done. Similar to the last one, we will be using an accordion fold for the tail. So now taking our 20 centimeter by 20 centimeter square, fold it in half, and keep on folding rectangles so that you can get a nice and even shape. Once you've made as many rectangles as you can, unfold it and then continue in the up and down pattern of the accordion fold. Then just fold it in half one more time. Now, taking my scissors, I'm going to cut out a really simple design on my tail. I'm simply just cutting out a triangle, and I'll do this to the rest of the tail as well. When you open it up, you can see the beautiful design you've created. To complete your peacock, all you have to do is tuck the body in to one of the folds of the tail. If you'd like, you can also use tape to secure the back, which is what I ended up doing. Once you've got your structure done, then you can go ahead and decorate your new peacock. Try to have fun and recreate their patterns in fun and unusual colors. Whenever you're happy with your final decorations, you are all done with your origami peacocks. I hope you had fun with today's craft. That's all for today's video, and thank you for watching. Bye!